Welcome to the chapter Carbon and its Compounds. In this video, we'll solve important previous year questions from this chapter. These questions will help you understand key concepts and exam patterns. 01. State two characteristic features of carbon which when put together give rise to a large number of carbon compounds. Answer. Carbon exhibits two important properties. 1. Catenation. Carbon atoms can link with other carbon atoms to form long chains, branched chains, and rings. 2. Tetravalency. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so it forms 4 covalent bonds with other atoms, including carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, etc., giving rise to a vast number of stable compounds. 02. Draw the structure of butanone molecule, CHCOCH. Answer. The structural formula of butanone is CH-CoCH-CH. It consists of a 4-carbon chain with a ketone functional group, C is equal to O, at the second carbon. 03. A student added acetic acid to test tubes I, 2, 3 and 4 containing the labeled substances and then brought a burning splinter near the mouth of each test tube, NaOH, NaCl, NaHCO, Ca, or. The splinter would be extinguished in which test tube? Answer. The gas evolved in test tube 3, containing NaHCO, is carbon dioxide, which extinguishes a burning splinter. Therefore, the correct test tube is 3. 04. Acetic acid reacts with solid sodium hydrogen carbonate. Choose the correct observation. A. Slowly forming no gas. B. Vigorously with effervescence. C. Slowly without effervescence. D. Vigorously without gas formation. Answer. B. Vigorously with effervescence. Acetic acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate to form sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide gas, which causes brisk effervescence. 05. Vapors of acetic acid smell. A. Pungent like vinegar. B. Sweet like rose. C. Suffocating like sulfur dioxide. D. Odorless like water. Answer. Acetic acid has a strong, pungent smell similar to vinegar due to the presence of the Co group. So, the correct answer is A. Pungent like vinegar. 06. A student takes narco powder in a test tube and pours some drops of acetic acid in it. He observes A. No reaction. B. Colorless gas with pungent smell. C. Bubbles of a colorless and odorless gas. D. White fumes with smell of vinegar. Answer. Acetic acid reacts with sodium carbonate to produce sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless, odorless gas that causes effervescence. Correct observation. C. Bubbles of a colorless and odorless gas. 07. Which salts from the given list can be used to make water hard? Options include calcium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium chloride, etc. Answer. Salts that contain calcium or magnesium ions make water hard. Hence, salts like calcium sulfate, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride can be used to make water hard. 08. A student takes 2 ml acetic acid and adds sodium hydrogen carbonate. What are the correct observations regarding the evolved gas? Answer. Correct observations. I. Brisk effervescence due to Co gas. 2. Co is colorless and odorless. 3. It turns lime water milky. 4. It extinguishes a burning splinter. Correct statements are I, 2, and 4. Question. In an experiment, a student adds ethanoic acid to distilled water. What will he observe? Answer. Ethanoic acid is miscible in water and forms a clear, homogeneous solution. So, the student will observe that the acid dissolves readily in water without forming layers or precipitate. 10. What is the physical form of sodium hydroxide pellets when exposed to air? 2017. Answer. Sodium hydroxide is hygroscopic and absorbs moisture and CO from the air. It appears as white pellets or flakes when exposed to air. 11. In a saponification reaction, What is the conclusion based on temperature and litmus paper change? Answer. Saponification is an exothermic reaction that generates heat when an ester is hydrolyzed with a base, usually NaOH, to produce soap and glycerol. The reaction mixture turns red litmus blue, indicating that it is basic in nature. Therefore, the conclusion is that the reaction is exothermic and the mixture is basic. Which salts can be dissolved in water to obtain hard water for an experiment? Answer. To prepare hard water in the laboratory, salts that contain calcium and magnesium ions should be used, as they cause water hardness. Suitable salts include calcium sulfate, CaSO, magnesium chloride, MgCl, and calcium chloride, CaCl. These salts, when dissolved in distilled water, form hard water suitable for experiments. 13. Write the number of covalent bonds in CH, butane. Answer. Butane, CH, is a saturated hydrocarbon with single covalent bonds between carbon and hydrogen atoms. Each carbon atom forms 4 covalent bonds. Total covalent bonds in butane, 3 CC bonds, 10 CH bonds, total is equal to 13 covalent bonds. 14. Why is common salt added in soap making? Answer. Common salt, sodium chloride, is added during soap preparation to precipitate soap from the solution. This process is called salting out. It helps separate the soap from the aqueous layer of glycerol and ensures better recovery of soap from the reaction mixture. 15. In an experiment with 4 salt solutions and soap, which tube produces the most lather? Answer. Soft water, which does not contain calcium or magnesium ions, produces more lather with soap. Sodium and potassium salts do not cause water hardness, so test tubes with sodium sulfate, P, and potassium sulfate, Q, will produce the most lather. Hence, answer is A, P and Q. 16. Name the gas liberated when sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with acetic acid. How to test for it? Answer. The reaction between sodium hydrogen carbonate and acetic acid produces carbon dioxide gas. The gas is colorless and odorless. It can be tested by passing it through lime water, which turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, Ca, or CaCO. 17. Write the name and structure of an aldehyde with 4 carbon atoms. Answer. An aldehyde with 4 carbon atoms is butanol. Its structure is CH-CH-CH-CHO. It consists of a straight chain of 3 carbon atoms and an aldehyde group, CHO, at the end.